Alright, language explorers, let's have a look at some more unusual articles in British English accent with T. So, let's have a look. 33 Thomas Street. 33 Thomas Street, formerly the AT&T Long Lines building, is a 550-foot tall, 170-meter, windowless skyscraper in Tribeca, Lower Manhattan, New York City. It stands on the east side of Church Street, between Thomas Street and Worth Street. The building is an example of the brutalist architecture. It is a telephone exchange or wire center building which contains three major 4ESS switches used for inter-exchange, long-distance telephony, as well as a number of other switches used for competitive local exchange carrier services. However, it is not used for incumbent local exchange carrier services and is not a central office. The CLLI code for this facility is NYC-MNYBW. The building has also been described as the likely location of the the National Security Agency (NSA) mass surveillance hub, code name Titan Point, a windowless skyscraper. Aroma of Tacoma. What an incredible smell you've discovered. Could have been this Washington City's motto. Aroma of Tacoma, also known as Tacoma aroma, is a putrid and unpleasant smell or odor associated with Tacoma, Washington. Tacoma is located in the western part of the state, in Pierce County. The smell has been described as similar to the odor of rotten eggs. The odor is not noticeable throughout the city, but it is rather concentrated in the Tacoma tide flats, and is frequently smelled by motorists traveling that section of Interstate 5. The aroma of Tacoma. Okay, interesting, to say the least. The Canusa Street is the only part of the Canadian-United States border that runs down the middle of a street. Wow. The street separates BP Plain, Vermont, and the BP Plain area of Strand-Saint, Quebec, and is part of the Quebec Route 247. The name of Corsona is formed of, Can for Canada and USA. Canusa Street. Oh, wow. So it's a road. So what really? Let's have a look at this. Let's have a look. So it could literally be a road where one side. Oh, wow, yeah. Mainly on the Canadian side. Oh, yeah. Not far from, well, yeah, Vermont, yeah, northern Vermont. Wow. Oh, yes. Yeah, the road. So on the left-hand side of the road is Canada, but on the right-hand road is America. Wow. That is pretty cool. Wow, living on the edge. There's one house here that's got an American flag outside. And another one that's got, Boulevard. No, bienvenido. Oh, welcome. Okay, Canusa. There's a flag. So on one house, there's an American flag. On the other side of the road, on a lamppost, there's in French, bienvenido, or bienvenue, welcome to Canada, with a maple leaf underneath it. That is pretty cool, to say the least. Wow. Crush, Texas, a temporary city established as the site of a 1896 publicity stunt, a staged train wreck. The wreck unexpectedly caused 2 deaths and numerous injuries among spectators. Okay, all right. Ernest Talman Island, an island off the coast of Cuba that was, sort of, ceded to East Germany, and thus, sort of, remains part of East Germany, which doesn't exist anymore, sort of. Ernest Thalman Island. Ooh. Cuban island in the Gulf of Cazones that is named after Ernst Thalman, a German communist politician, during a 1970 state visit to the Democratic Republic, East Germany. Fidel Castro made a promise that Cuba would donate an island to the East German government, and Cayo Blanco del Sur was renamed in a ceremony during a state visit by Erich Honecker after the reunification of Germany. A German newspaper tried to visit the island and was told the transfer had only been symbolic. Oh, wow, okay. All right. Gum wall. Oh, wow. Gum wall. The Market Theatre gum wall is a brick wall covered in used chewing gum, located in an alleyway in Post Alley under Pike Place Market in downtown Seattle. Much like Bubblegum Alley in San Luis Obispo, California. The Market Theatre gum wall is a local landmark. Parts of the gum coating on the wall are several inches thick, and the coating is 15 feet, 4.6 meters high, along a 50-meter section. Let's have a look. Ugh. Yeah, so I'm looking at a brick wall with a window and just chewing gum everywhere. Oh wow, yeah, it's like an alley. Oh, wow, everywhere. Wow, when culture gets out of, well, culture just spirals. Wow, that's pretty cool. Ooh. And, it's even dripping from the windowsill. Yeah, from window. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Okay, Interstate 19. One more. Interstate 19 is the north-south interstate highway located entirely within the U.S. state of Arizona, roughly 300 feet or 91 meters from the Mexican border to Tucson, I-10. The highway also travels through the city of Rio Rico, Green Valley, and Sahurita, having a total length of just 63 meters. Okay, right. Oh, 91 meters from the Mexican border. Okay. So 63 meters long, 7th shortest primary 2-digit interstate highway in the contiguous 48 states, where only, a few others. While the highway is short, it is a very important corridor, serving as a fast route from Tucson and Phoenix to the Mexican border. The highway is a portion of the United States section of Canamex Corridor, a trade corridor that stretches north from Mexico across the United States. So, I saw it is in the metric unit advice guide. So it's the only one in metric. Oh, wow. in meters and kilometers, as opposed to imperial, miles and feet. So it seems to be the only US highway marked in metric units as a relic, as a relic of a historical push for metrification. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.